Howdy YouTube, thanks for checking out RV Daydream. It is a beautiful day, but a windy one.
I've been riding on a daydream.
Yeah, it's about 2:30. We got temperatures in the, 70s, about mid-70s. But man, the wind is really kicking up. We have storms that are kind of in that direction that we're looking currently. And there's a fender bender over there. I don't know what's going on over there, but I want to talk about something that's going on that could possibly be exactly something that you need to know if you're trying to full-time RV and use Amazon affiliates as a source of income. Drinking. Yeah, I'm having a drink. If you guys don't approve of drinking, I'm sorry, but I needed a drink, and I'll tell you why. I woke up this morning and did my normal routine. I got up, went to the computer, fired it up, and decided to look at what my numbers was for my Amazon affiliates account. Now, if you guys don't know what Amazon affiliates is, basically it's a program that allows you to sign up, be approved, and then offer links that are tied in directly with you for any kind of a product that you may use or you may refer to, which I do that a lot. You guys that have watched me for a long time, I've referred to products I don't know how many times on this channel, and I have my other channel, my first channel, Fox Boss 9, that I've got about 20,000 subscribers over there. And every time I do any kind of repair, I talk about the tools that I use, and I talk about the parts that I use for the repairs or the modifications, and I always include a link to take you to Amazon in case you decide to buy it. Now, most of the products, and I mean in large scale, I do buy on Amazon myself, so I am referring you to their site to purchase the same thing that I did at the same price that I did. For example, I've done quite a few our on our generator for the RV, which I really love that generator. It's been a great item to add to our whole boondocking situation, which we haven't really boondocked since we got it, but I have used it here at the house quite a bit, powering the RV. And what happens is if you see that product or a product that I talk about and you click the link into the description, at that point they will give me some sort of a real small little morsel that is, and it is small, it really is small, morsel that will go towards me bringing you, the viewer, or the person that clicks the ad, to their site to buy the product. So I woke up this morning and I clicked to see what my daily number was, and it was 0. I thought that was kind of odd. And then I saw that my tracking ID, which is an ID that's specific just to me, it was not the right ID. It was a different ID that I haven't used. I just created, but I never used it. So when I went looking for the tracking ID that I normally attach to all my links, it wasn't there. Now, again, as far as full-time RVers, what that means is you could, in theory, if you've used a product and you like the product and you put the product in a link that has your tracking ID associated with it, you could earn income while you're on the road and you're traveling around. You don't need to be anywhere specific. And I've done a lot of videos. I mean, just on this channel, we've done over 360 videos. And my old channel, not as many videos, but a lot of content there. I have a lot of content on that channel. And then I have yet a third channel. I've done a lot of content on that also. And again, all those things that I've done, I've included Amazon affiliate links that has this certain tracking ID. Well, when I didn't see that tracking ID, I went ahead and called Amazon. So I got somebody that spoke English right away, and she said, I'm looking at your account. Have you received any kind of an email or anything concerning your account? I said, I haven't checked my emails for the day. This is usually the first thing that I do, is check my Amazon dollars for the day. I said, let me look. And I said, yeah, you know what? I did receive an email. Let me read what the email says. And the email said something about, well, we've contacted you previously. You haven't responded, and there's a violation that you've created or you've done, and we have suspended your account. Suspended my account. Oh, that's not good. Again, I don't make a ton of money on this, and I don't want you guys to think that you're just going to sign up for Amazon affiliates and all of a sudden you're going to start making money. But I've been including Amazon affiliate links for probably the last 7 years on my other channel. And I roughly make on Amazon in between $800 and $1,800 a month. And they said my account was suspended. Not only that, but they usually pay 3 months later. So, for example, the pay that I'd be receiving next week would have been for 2 months ago. And they said not only is your account suspended, but you're not going to receive any income that you've already earned on that account. I was flabbergasted. I couldn't believe it. So I asked her, what do I need to do? Who do I need to talk to? She said, let me forward this information to the department that handles it. However, and this is, I hate this. I really hate this. However, you can't talk to them on the phone. They're going to respond to you within 48 hours over email. Well, I thought it was kind of odd that I got an email in the first place that was just one thing saying your account was terminated. So I went back, and about 20 days ago, apparently I got another email. And again, because I order so much stuff from Amazon, it said something about Amazon. I just ignored it. I just ignored the email. But I did receive an email around the first of the month. It is now the end of the month, that said you have a violation, that you created a link, a special link, and you put it in a review on Amazon. And I still, right now, don't know what that is, because the example that they gave me, my specific violation, if I click on it, it's not there at this point. So I just wanted to give you a warning that if you are deciding to do full-time RVing and you're trying to set up a mobile income that will travel around with you anywhere that you go, you need to make sure you have all your bases covered. Basically, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Now, of course, I make some money on YouTube. It's not crazy money at all. It's not even as good as the Amazon affiliate money. However, those two streams was pretty good together. So diversify. That's what the message is diversify. Now, I'm going to sit here and finish my drink, maybe have another one, and we'll pick this up on another day when I've got some better news. Hopefully we got this thing all ironed out. If not, maybe I have something new to tell you about.